Review of Griffon study on Selexipag for pulmonary hypertension. Selexipag is an orally active IP prostacyclin receptor agonist. It is structurally different from prostacyclin. Griffon was a phase 3 double-blind randomized placebo-controlled trial which randomized 1,156 patients with pulmonary arterial hypertension. Please subscribe to this channel for future updates. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon after that for all updates. Patients included those who are not on treatment for pulmonary arterial hypertension and those on stable dose of endothelin receptor antagonist, phosphodiesterase 5 inhibitor or both. 181 centers from 39 countries participated in the Griffon study. Primary endpoint was a composite of death from any cause or complication related to pulmonary hypertension up to the end of the treatment, which was defined as 7 days after last intake of trial medication. Primary endpoint event occurred in 41.6% of the placebo group and 27% of the Selexipag group. 81.9% of the events were due to disease progression and hospitalization. Effect of Selexipag was similar in those receiving baseline treatment and in those who were not receiving baseline treatment. Mortality was 105 in the placebo group and 100 in the Selexipag group. The difference in mortality was not statistically significant. 18.9% of the patients had discontinued study medication prematurely, but sensitivity analysis had shown that this did not affect the final conclusions. Subjective elements in the primary endpoints was another limitation of the study. Adjudication by a 3-person critical event committee was sought to reduce the bias from this aspect. The endpoints were decided based on the recommendations of the Task Force on Endpoints and Clinical Trial Design at the 4th World Symposium on Pulmonary Hypertension 2008. 80% of the patients in the Griffon study were already receiving therapy for pulmonary hypertension at baseline. 33% of the enrolled patients were receiving 2 pulmonary arterial hypertension therapies at baseline. A remarkable feature of the Griffon study was that it was able to enroll a large number of patients from a large number of centers spread over 39 countries. Vast majority of patients were in WHO functional class 2 and 3. The study has shown that Selexipag can be used either as a single agent or in combination with endothelin receptor antagonist and or phosphodiesterase inhibitor. Here are a couple of journal references. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future updates and click on the bell icon for all updates. Thank you.